This is Kareem the Traveler again. What's your name?
I'm called Faisal.
Faisal, you're from Uganda?
Yeah, I'm from Uganda.
I will ask you just a few simple questions and let's see if you get them right. Okay, my first question is, where do you think I'm from?
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Bro, I guess maybe we're from Arabic country, like the Gulf countries.
My lord, are you Wanda?
No. UAE?
Yeah, UAE.
No, man, I'm not an Arab. I could give you another chance.
Bro, I think we're from India.
What do you say?
India? No. The people usually think that I'm from India, but I'm not from India. Okay, you got two chances. Okay, you want one more chance?
One more chance.
Okay.
It's a must arise and shine. I'm going to arise and shine.
According to your accent, yeah, the way how it's froze, it's like maybe we're coming from Pakistan. I think so.
Oh, this time you got it
Is
right.
it right?
This time you're right. Yes, I'm from Pakistan. Do you know anything about Pakistan?
According to my information,
Okay.
which I've got somewhere, because I've been traveling, I have Pakistan friends.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my God! Wow!
First and foremost, most of them, they're Muslim.
Oh, okay.
You know?
Yes.
Yeah.
So he got one fact straight. Most of the Pakistanis are Muslims. That's true.
And the second thing,
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
politically, I like their Prime Minister, Imran Khan. He's a big man. Imran Khan Zindabad.
Okay. Okay, say that again.
Imran Khan Zindabad.
Oh my God! Wow!
Guys, he's supporting Imran Khan. Imran Khan Zindabad. Wow, love, man. They think that, Pakistan is famous for rice. But let me tell you, the football that is made, played in the football.
I know.
Yes, football also comes from Pakistan. Did you know that there are Africans in Pakistan? There are Africans who are studying in Pakistan and who are married to Pakistanis as well. Did you know that?
I'm not sure. I'm not sure about it.
But on my TikTok, you'll see there are Nigerians, Burundians, and Ugandans in Pakistan.
That's what I want to see. I want to feel it like, we are all family.
That is so true. Thank you so much, Faisal, for your time. Guys, shout out to Faisal.
Plan Z25.
Z25.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, I'll be tagging him in the TikTok video. You can check him out as well. One love, brother.
Peace out.